Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dive deep into the gadget wonderland to help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two titans of the drone world against each other. On my left, we have the Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV drone, and on my right, the Fockjank Brushless Motor Drone. If drones had a WWE match, this would be it. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about those all-important cameras. The Holy Stone HS440 packs a 1080p HD camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens that you can adjust within 90 degrees. Reviewers appreciate its decent camera quality for the price range, allowing for cool shots and live streaming to your phone. On the Fockjank side, we've got a 1080p HD camera as well, but with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. This gives you more angles and flexibility, although some users have noted the video can be a bit shaky. Both cameras are good, but Fockjank offers a bit more in terms of adjustability. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay up in the air. Holy Stone gives you a solid 20 minutes of flight time, and reviewers confirm it, mentioning that the batteries take about 3 hours to charge and provide an average of 22 minutes of flying time. Fockjank, on the other hand, also offers a 20-minute battery life per charge and includes 2 batteries, which is a pleasant surprise for many users. However, some users have experienced issues with the drone flying away, which can cut your flying time short. When it comes to portability, Holy Stone is like your over-prepared friend who brings a Swiss Army knife to a picnic. It features a foldable frame and comes with a high-quality carrying case, making it easy to transport. Reviewers love its durability and compact design. Fockjank boasts brushless motors that are quieter, mightier, and longer-lasting. However, it lacks the foldable design, making it less portable than its competitor. Some users have also reported the drone flying away, which is a major downside. Holy Stone has an arsenal of features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's beginner-friendly with emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Reviewers find it easy to learn and fun to fly, even for beginners. Fockjank isn't far behind with one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and extras like 3D flips, custom path flight, and gesture control. Users appreciate these entertaining features, although some have had issues with the app and connectivity. Now, the part where your wallet starts sweating. The price. Holy Stone HS440 comes in at $129. Reviewers find it to be a fun and affordable option for learning to fly. Fockjank is a bit cheaper at $119, making it a budget-friendly choice. However, some users have had negative experiences with drones flying away or malfunctioning, which is something to consider. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses according to reviewers. Holy Stone HS440 is praised for its ease of use, decent camera quality, and portability. However, it struggles in windy conditions. Fockjank Brushless Motor Drone is appreciated for its brushless motors, generous battery life, and entertaining features, but has faced criticism for connectivity issues and instances of flying away. So there you have it, smart buyers. Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide, the Swiss Army knife of drones, or Fockjank Brushless, the muscle-bound mystery flyer. Both bring their A-game, but which one will you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let the drone wars begin. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more epic showdowns. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.